believe he was from the area. More than 40 have been taken to a local hospital.
Terrified witnesses describing the horror of hearing the gunshots, seeing people injured. Let's listen now to what they've been telling us this morning.
Everybody knows the damn truth. Our nation led, we lost respect. When we wake up, what can we do? Get the kids ready, take them to school. Everybody knows they don't have a chance to get a decent job, to have a normal life. When they talk reforms, it makes me laugh. They pretend to help, it makes me laugh. I think I understand why people get a gun. I think I understand why we all give up. Every day they have a kind of victory. Blood of innocence spread everywhere. They say that we need love, but we need more than this.
This is your wake-up call. Unlike your nightmare, I'm here to start your day.
This is your wake-up call. We don't have to fall. A new democracy, God and pornography. A new democracy. People think that I'm insane. The only gun is in my brain. Each new birth, it gives me hope. That's why I don't smoke that dope. Insane people think I am brain inside my only friend. Hope it gives me birth each new. That dope, I don't smoke, it's true. Everybody knows the damn truth. Everybody knows the damn truth. Wake up. We need to wake up, 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 wake up. We need to wake up, 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 wake up. It's a hustle. Yeah. It's a hustle. It's a call. It's a hustle. It's a weird kind of energy, a bizarre thing that happens to be in a normal fraternity, and I feel more than sympathy. We need to wake up, 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 wake up. We need to wake up, 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 People think that I'm insane. The only gun is in my brain. Each new birth, it gives me hope. That's why I don't smoke that dope. Insane people think I am brain inside my only friend. Hope it gives me birth each new. That dope, I don't smoke, it's true. Everybody knows the damn truth. Everybody knows the damn truth. We need to wake up, 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 wake up. Wake up.
lost respect when